I wash our new 2026 Juniper Model Y every couple of weeks. Had it for about 6 months now, and it's falling apart. When I washed it this morning, I see that this rubber boot has popped off of this plastic piece. I think it was probably just not assembled properly, and I don't want to call in for a service appointment if it's something I can pop in readily. See if I can get this to... Yeah, there we go. So it popped out here. I think all I have to do is catch this plastic piece on the lip of the rubber boot here. Yeah, there we go. All the way around. That went in pretty easy. And now it should be just a matter of popping this plastic piece back into the hole in the frame, and these little clips will catch. Oh yeah, that was very satisfying. Nice, easy repair. I think this rubber boot was just not properly seated at the factory. If you find this type of content useful, please consider subscribing and hit that like button to be notified of future content.